How to make Beef Wellington. Follow these step-by-step instructions and you'll make the best Beef Wellington you've ever had. You'll need black pepper, flaky salt, canola oil, Dijon mustard, button mushrooms, garlic, shallots, beef tenderloin, prosciutto, and puff pastry. Start by finely chopping 4 garlic cloves. Then 6 shallots. And finally, 600 grams of button mushrooms. You want the mushrooms to be as finely chopped as possible. Place a pan over medium heat. Add the chopped garlic, shallots, and 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Sweat the vegetables until they start to turn translucent. Then, add the mushrooms. Cook for approximately 10 minutes until the majority of their liquid has released and simmered off. Place the mixture into a bowl and put to one side. Next, we're going to season the tenderloin with salt and pepper. Ensure both sides are thoroughly covered. Next, add a generous amount of canola oil into a pan. Bring to high heat. Then sear the tenderloin on all sides for a couple of minutes. Ensure you sear both ends too. Remove from heat and immediately cover completely with Dijon mustard. It's important to do this while it's still hot. This ensures that the mustard flavor is fully absorbed into the meat. Next, you're going to need your prosciutto, puff pastry, and mushroom mix. Before you start crafting the Beef Wellington, you're going to need to tenderize the meat. Pick up the tenderized tenderloin. Now it's time to craft the Beef Wellington. Place down your puff pastry. Layer on the prosciutto. Evenly spread the mushroom mix. Gently place down your beef at the base. Now you're going to need some egg wash. Gently spread the egg wash over both ends of the puff pastry. Grab the puff pastry and slowly roll it around your entire tenderloin. And garnish with flaky salt. Gently pick up the Beef Wellington. Heat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, fan forced. Carefully place it into the oven. Bake for 30 minutes. Remove from oven. Serve and enjoy. Look how good this Beef Wellington looks. The meat inside is juicy and tender, and the outside pastry is incredibly crispy. Just listen to how crispy that pastry is. Enjoy!